Welcome to AI Insight Hub, your go-to place for smart content creation tips powered by technology. In today's video, we're breaking down how you can create amazing YouTube videos using just your mobile phone. No fancy equipment, no excuses. You don't need an expensive DSLR to start creating YouTube videos. Modern smartphones have powerful cameras that shoot in 1080p and even 4K, making them perfect for high-quality content. Just make sure your lens is clean and your phone is stable, and boom, you're good to go. Whether you're vlogging, teaching, reviewing, or sharing tutorials, your mobile phone is powerful enough to get started. And that's it! Making YouTube videos with your mobile camera is easier than ever. Don't wait to buy gear. Start today with what you have. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to AI Insight Hub, and let us know in the comments what you're filming next. Be consistent. Upload at least once a week. Focus on searchable topics like tutorials or reviews. Use shorts to get more attention quickly. Encourage engagement in every video. Reply to comments to build a community. Use CapCut or InShot to cut mistakes. Add captions. Insert music or effects. Include your channel name and logo. Then upload directly from your phone to YouTube. Use a custom thumbnail. Write an SEO-friendly title and description and add tags for better visibility. Before filming, plan your content. Here's a simple structure. Hook, first 10 seconds to grab attention. Intro, who you are and what viewers will learn. Main content, step-by-step teaching or explanation. Call to action, ask viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. Even if you're camera shy, you can use voiceovers or AI avatars to make faceless videos. Here's how to shoot like a pro using your phone. Use rear camera for better quality. Record in landscape mode for YouTube. Turn on grid lines in your camera settings to follow the rule of thirds. Stabilize your phone with a tripod or use a flat surface. Don't zoom. It lowers video quality. Always check lighting before filming, and most importantly, press record and be consistent. Let's talk about the basic setup you need. Tripod or stand. Keep your shots steady. Get an affordable phone tripod online. External mic. If your phone mic isn't the best, get a clip-on mic for clearer sound. Lighting, natural light works wonders. Record near a window, or use a ring light if needed. Free editing apps, CapCut, InShot, and VN are great for editing videos right on your phone.